Ready?
Ready!
Everyday common phrases. Tagalog to English. Ang sarap mong magluto.
You cook is so nice. Alam ko. You cook so well.
Ang bait mo talaga.
You're so kind.
Mali. Ang bait mo talaga.
You are really kind.
Mali.
You're really nice.
Cute ka.
You're cute.
Ang sarap mong kasama.
You're really tasty.
You're so yummy to to be with you.
Ang sarap mong kasama. Ang sarap mong kasama.
You are nice to be with.
You're nice to be with.
Tama. You're nice to be with. Bagay tayo. Bagay tayo. Bagay tayo.
We are things.
Ano sabihin? Ana.
Bagay tayo.
We're like to be like, oh yeah.
Repeat. Mabilis kang matuto.
Peace.
Mabilis kang matuto.
You're a fast learner.
Ikaw. Ipagpatuloy mo lang yan.
Just continue it.
Mali. Pagpatuloy mo lang yan. Ipagpatuloy mo lang yan.
Keep up the good work. Stop.
Kain na tayo.
That's it.
Because,
Kumain ka pa.
baliw. You eating?
Kumain ka pa.
Eat more.
Eat more na.
Tama, eat more.
Kumain ka pa.
Babalik din ako.
I shall return.
Seryoso pala to eh.
Babalik ako. Oh, I shall return. Tama! I shall return. Di ba?
Babalik din ako.
I'll back. Parang sabi ko, seryoso patay na.
Ay!
Mali.
I'll back.
Mali nga.
Will become back.
I will come back. I'll come back.
Mali.
I will return.
Mali.
Ulat ka.
I'll be back soon.
Oh, I'll be back soon.
Naliligaw ako.
I'm lost.
Tama, I've lost.
I'm losting.
Ingat.
Care. Take care. Take care nga.
Here lang in.
Malapit na ako.
OTW.
Oh, dami.
I'm near.
Oh, bakit? Malapit
Mali.
ako on the way.
Malapit na ako.
Malapit na ako.
Doon sa tabi mo.
Where na you? Dito na kiss.
Oh, yes.
I'm almost there.
The old man.
Magkano ang pamasahe?
How much the... Kaya ko na talaga. Diba? How much the payment?
How much is the fare? Fare.
Akala ko.
Tama. How much is the fare? Malilate ako.
I'm going to be late.
I'll be late.
Tama. I'm going to be late.
Kala ko mali.
Bilisan mo.
Hurry up.
Tama, hurry up. Kaya mo yan.
You do
You
it.
do it.
You go, girl.
Please do.
Ano, you pass through it. Oh, tama.
Mali.
Malalampasan mo yan. Kaya mo yan. Padayon. To move forward.
Oo nga.
Alis na.
Keep it up.
Isa na.
Mali.
Na.
Kaya mo yan.
Keep it up.
Alis na. Ano nga ulit?
Kaya mo yan.
You got it.
You can do it.
Tama, you can do it.
Ay,
Magkano?
How much?
Tama. How much?
wait, yung cards to.
Sariwa ba ito?
And this?
Is this fresh?
Oh, tama.
Is
Is
this
this fresh?